Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new, please consider subscribing. My name is Yari and I create educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for those who like to continue learning. Follow me on all social media platforms as Glam and Beyond. You guys, we're jumping right in and we are going to be performing a microbiome repair and relief facial protocol. So if you come across any clients that have indications for acne, redness, inflammation, dry skin, or aging concerns, stay tuned and watch the entire video. So here we go. So for my first cleanse, I'm going in with the cleansing gel with mandelic acid. This is an active foaming cleanser that is going to brighten and exfoliate the skin, reduce blemishes, reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to help reduce the appearance of uneven skin and of course texture. Is great for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for individuals with acne prone skin and those who have hyperpigmentation concerns. Remember to take your time. Take your time working the product onto the client's skin to allow the product to really do its job. Second cleanse using the micro exfoliating honey cleanser. This cleanser is going to gently cleanse and exfoliate while absorbing excess oil, leaving all skin types feeling fresh and revitalized. Now I'm using the cocoa enzyme, which is designed to nourish, protect, and boost healing for any skin type. The gentle exfoliation of natural papaya and pineapple enzymes will effectively polish and prepare the skin. Remember that it's going to help remove keratin buildup, and it is anti-inflammatory, which we love. Perfect for all skin types, especially acneic skin, those who suffer from rosacea, and sensitive skin individuals. time to perform a relaxing massage. I'm using aquaporin and some grapeseed oil. I'm removing the excess product with a nice warm towel. Next, I'm using the pre and postbiotic nourishing mask with royal tea, which protects and restores the skin from cellular damage due to blue light and digital pollution, while providing hydrating and healing benefits to support a healthy microbiome. This mask contains anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-aging properties that nourish, soothe, and repair dehydrated, compromised, and aging skin. So definitely a great mask to have in the treatment room. Again, all of these products are from Circadia. If you're not new here, then you know that I love me a calming, soothing, hydrating facial mist, and this aloe and calendula facial mist from Circadia is all of that plus more. Definitely another must-have. And you guys know that I love using a fan to make sure that everything is dried, fully absorbed into the skin before continuing to add more products. If you haven't yet tried the vitamin C reversal serum, I'm not really sure what you're doing. It is brightening, tightening, hydrating, and protecting. If I could bathe in this stuff, I would. It's amazing. And of course, finishing the treatment using the Light Day SPF 37 sunscreen. And well, you guys, that concludes this video. Of course, I had to break this down. This was a full hour treatment, but I'm bringing it to you in a quick, short format. I hope you still got all the information and that you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your continued support. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to do so. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it with a friend. Feel free to scan the QR code to stay connected with me. Follow me on all social media platforms as Glam and Beyond. And you guys, let's keep going, let's keep growing, and I'll see you on the next one.